We'll be diving deep into how an industrial e-commerce store managed to increase their organic user base. So, if you're running an online store or looking to boost your organic traffic, this video is a must watch. Let's jump right into it. Let me first of all give you some business overview. An e-commerce store that specializes in providing cakes and accessories. The company offers wide range of products. Their target customers include cake retailers and bakeries. And the objective was that the store had been in the market for a few years and had a good customer base, but they were struggling to attract organic users to its website. They simply wanted to reduce their dependence on paid advertisements and increase organic traffic to their website. Now let's talk about the challenges in this particular case. Our Shopify client experienced a significant dip in website traffic in June 2023, and after working with another SEO agency for some time. The agency they were working with had been creating thin, unuseful content on free blog sites just to drop backlinks and nothing else. And also they were buying links from link farms. Almost all the SEO executions were based on engineered backlinking tactics, which are against Google's terms of service. As Google is moving towards content that is helpful, useful, and to get rid of link spam, it is only a matter of time before these grey black hat strategies will punish or even ban websites. The new client is one clear example of being punished by Google, as there is not much good SEO done on the site, and their only SEO tactic was with backlinking, trying to game Google's algorithm. They approached us and we started our partnership somewhere around July 2023, and we immediately implemented tailored Shopify and SEO strategies that are good in Google's eyes. Now let's talk about what exactly did we do. We adjusted the internal linking structure to point to canonical URLs, eliminating duplicate content. We disavowed tons of toxic backlinks built by previous agencies. We also optimized internal linking and enhanced the site's architecture to improve indexation and to create cult-proper, semantically contextually charged signals to and from the right content. We also introduced rich snippets and structured data to enhance visibility on search engine result pages. We did spend time on keyword research for product and collection pages. We also worked on content optimization by layering existing content to sync with the searcher's intent. Fresh content was also created and topic clusters were created to align with our tailored Shopify SEO best practices. We also included FAQ into various product pages, answering concerns of potential buyers. We did work on the UX part of the website and improved user experience on the product category pages for user-friendly product views to enhance the conversion rate. And yes, we did optimize the GMB, Google My Business or Google Business Profile listings. Our client's Shopify store is now just a hub of vibrant e-commerce with growing web traffic. Every dip in traffic is an opportunity for unprecedented growth, and with the right SEO strategies, the sky is the limit. Now let's talk about the results we achieved in this particular case. As you can see, there was 724% increase in clicks, 351% increase in impressions, and of course various keywords, or I would say most of the targeted keywords, started improving in their rankings in the search engine result pages. And that's all we wanted to share with you in this video. In case you have any queries, feel free to get in touch with us through our website, or you can also reach out to us through our WhatsApp number. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.